Hi children, in the previous video we have discussed mirror formula, what is meant by magnification. So today we are going to discuss some numericals depend on the mirror formula and magnification, and a little bit we will discuss much more about the magnification, how the questions are going to be asked in regular pattern and as well as in competitive exams. So here I have written one question. Again I am repeating this thing. Please, before watching video you have to sit with one copy and pen, because especially in case of the optional subjects, running notes is very important. Is it clear for you? Okay. So we are going to start here. The question is given, an object is placed 10 centimeter. Object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeters. Find position, nature and magnification of image. Generally, in physics, when you are going to do the numerical, either it is required or not required for the given question, first you should make the one rough diagram. If you make the rough diagram, 50% idea you are going to get. Second thing, when you are going to draw the diagram, by seeing that positions you will get the formula also. Is it clear for you? So now once observe here, it is given here, object is placed 10 centimeter in front of concave mirror. In new Cartesian method we already discussed how we are going to place the one concave or convex mirrors, or means here we have taken, children, this is the concave mirror. Actually here diagram is not required, but to get the ideas I am going to draw the rough diagram. Here once observe here, the object is placed 10 centimeter in front of the concave mirror of radius of curvature how much? 15 centimeter. Then this is the center of curvature, this is the pole. This radius equals to, shall I write minus or plus? You know very well. Sir, this is the left side. Graph paper, if you are going to observe, this is the right side, this is the left side. Left side we are going to take minus 15 centimeter. This is the radius. Clear? Second thing is, what is the distance of object? Means it is the 10 centimeter. You know very well. Distance of object somewhere is there. Here I am going to keep, this is the object here. What is the distance of object? Means it represented by letter U. Then I am going to say U equals to minus 10 centimeter. Then what we have to find? Find the position and nature and magnification of the image. What is meant by position? This thing you have to understand. Position means where the image is going to be formed, children. What is meant by nature means either it is the real or virtual, you have to tell. Magnification means we have to discuss little bit much more. I will give about the magnification. Magnification means we discussed something, that is what is the size of the image if we compare with the object. These three things we have to tell. Sir, here how many formulas we have for this one? Means I am writing here, you have the two formulas. One is mirror formula is 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 1 by f. Second formula for magnification you having, magnification equals to height of image by height of object or minus v by u. These two formulas only we are having. Then now once observe, from the given question you got u equal to minus 10. Another one is r equals to minus 15. From here I am going to take radius is minus 15, means focal length equals to r by 2. This formula we know, r equals to 2f, sir. Then I am going to take f equals to minus 15 by 2 centimeter. And one more hint I have to give here, means one technique. Generally The class 10 and 12 students, when they are going to solve the numerical in the physics, they will take here, sir, 2 ones are 2, 2 7.5s are. But please try to avoid children to take in the decimal, because when you get the decimal terms in the physics, division and multiplication becomes difficult for us. So now in the last step, means up to where we are able to do the calculation we will do. When you are going to do the last step, then there is no calculation, then we are going to solve the equation. Is it clear for you? That's I don't like to write it is in the form of 7.5 decimal form. Directly I am writing 15 by 2. Here why I kept minus means radius is the left side, sir. Focus also will be the left side. That's why I kept here minus 15 by 2. Is it clear for you? Then once observe the formula. What are the information given to us means I am writing here is given u equal to minus 10 centimeter, f equal to minus 15 by 2 centimeter. Then he is asking position. Position means what? Where the image is going to be formed. Then v equal to question mark. Then I hope you know very well out of these three variables, 2 are given, then you are able to find the v value. From this equation I am writing 1 by v equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Please substitute the value. 1 by f value is minus 15 by 2 minus 1 by u means how much, children? Already it is given there minus 10. Here it is there minus 10. Then it is what? 1 by v. Next, 1 by v equals to, take reciprocal because it is 1 by is there, minus 2 by 15 minus into minus plus 1 by 10. Then 10 15 LCM. If you know the LCM, you can take the LCM and do. If you don't know the LCM, simply write like this, 15 into 10. If you don't have the patience to do LCM, 15 into 10. 15 is there here, sir. Close the 15. 10 into minus 2. Minus 20, sir. Plus 10 close. 15 into 1. 15, sir. Then answer I hope you got minus 5 by 15 into 10. This is answer you are going to get 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Then minus 1 by minus 1 by 30. That means v equals to, this is what? 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 30. Then v equals to minus 30 centimeter. What is meant by v equal to minus 30 centimeter? Minus, then which side? I am going to say, sir, minus means this is the right side plus this is the left side minus. That's why image also, if you observe clearly, v equal to minus 30, image is in front of the mirror. Otherwise I am going to say same side of the object. So please write, when he asks for the position, I am writing answer here, image is in front of the mirror. One answer clear, children? Very good. This answer completed. Second one is nature. What is meant by nature of the image? Image always having the two natures. Either it is the real image or virtual image. This thing we will discuss very closely today. That's why I came with this numerical. So now how I am going to say the natures are? How you are going to say the nature means, once observe here, children, one more formula is there for you, that is the magnification. I told you in the previous class, this magnification term is going to say the comparing size of the image with object. Now I am going to take, sir, magnification equals to height of the image by height of the object. But here there is no information about the height of image and height of the object. Then leave that thing. We have the information about the u and v. u is given minus 10, v we got already minus 30. Then magnification I am using the formula minus v by u equals to this minus formula minus I am keeping here children. What is the v value you got? Sir, v equals to minus 30. Then divided by u equals to minus 10. Minus minus get be cancel. You got m equals to minus 3. There is no units here. Why there is no units are means v is the distance, u is the distance. It is ratio between the similar physical quantities. Then if v is in centimeter, u also will be in centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter get be cancelled. If you get the confusion, I will write v equal to 30 centimeter divided by 10 centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter get be cancelled. Then what is the answer, sir? M equal to minus 3. Here, this m equal to minus 3 going to explain what? And by this small term, if you see the m equal to some small number, but it gives very large information, we can create much more questions on this magnification. So now I will explain about this thing. So now please don't think that the middle of the numerical event another topic, but it is important for us for the competitive as well as regular purpose. When m equal to some number has given, don't read like this, sir, m equal to minus 3. Minus is the separate term, 3 is the separate term. Then what is the required, sir, means when you are going to read m equal to minus like this, I am writing. What is the use to write like this, sir, means this symbol minus or plus is going to give information about the image is inverted or erect. For example, see, in the previous video already we have discussed, when the object is standing on the principal axis, we are going to take height is positive. If the image is inverted means it is below the principal axis, we are going to take, sir, we are going to take the minus. So now once observe here, this minus I can apply here also. So if I write here also, it is going to get the height of the image is minus. What does mean by height of the image minus? Means image never be negative. Image means what? Height. Height never be negative. For example, this is the base is the reference line, earth base. If I go above the earth surface, I am using the one word is height. If I go inside of the earth, I am using the one word is depth. Depth and height both are equal in the meaning of physics, but one is we are representing plus level, another one is we are using the word is minus level. Same like that here, if it is above the principal axis plus, if it is below the principal axis minus. So now please tell to me here, if magnification is given minus, then what is the nature? Nature means inverted or erect, or real or virtual. So now, sir, this is the minus given. I am writing this image is inverted. Always already we know the differences between real image and virtual image. Sir, if it is inverted means automatically it is the real image. So now please remember children, magnification, how much the information it is going to give means sign is going to give one information. What is that information? If given object is going to make real image or virtual image. If it is the minus, this is the inverted, sir, then it is going to give the real image. And what is meant by 3? 3 means magnification 3. That meaning is image is 3 times than object. If we compare with object, image is 3 times. Then I am going to write here, if you get the smaller or bigger, if any confusion if you get, simply write there whatever you will get the number here. That is I am writing here, image is 3 times to an object. 3 times to an object. This is about this given question answer completed. But now I told to you we need to discuss much more about magnification. So just once observe here. I am going to write here some magnification values and I will try to explain and when they are going to be applicable. These things I am going to discuss. For example, I wrote m equals to minus 1. What is that meaning? Sir, now only you told m equal to minus 1 means minus is the real image, sir. 1 means size of the image, size of the object, both are the same. Very good. I am going to ask the question to you. Which mirror can make magnification is minus 1? Which mirror can make magnification equals to minus 1? Can you write answer? Now you are unable to do because you have to imagine much more about the magnification. So please go to the ray diagrams about the concave mirror. When object is at the center of curvature, where is the image? Image also at center of curvature. Size of the object, size of the image is both are same. Image is inverted and real. So now from there means our previous knowledge, previous lecture, from there I got image size, image of the object, if both are equal, magnification is the 1. So now I am writing here m equals to 1 when it is possible means height of the image, height of the object both should be equal. If it is here we are getting minus. What is meant by minus means it is giving the real image. Now please try to analyze the previous about the mirrors. Which mirror can give minus magnification means I am going to say only one mirror, concave mirror can give real images. Did you remember? Convex mirror, when you have taken the convex mirror, like this mirror you have taken, if you place object anywhere at the infinite or very close to the mirror, it is always going to make the erect image. Erect image means height of the image is the positive. Is clear to you? So now magnification is height of the image by height of the object. It means if height of the image is in below the principal axis, m becomes the minus. Clear to you? So now convex mirror always giving virtual image. Then I am going to make one sentence here. Sir, m is always positive means m is positive. Then he has given question about which mirror? Convex mirror. Here magnification is minus 1. Magnification is minus 1 means by seeing this one we are understanding that sir only one mirror can make real image. That mirror is a concave mirror. That's why I am writing answer is concave mirror. Clear children? Second one I am going to say another one point. I am not going to make the question answer like this because very important point. You have to read these points are very well. Next one I am writing convex mirror. Convex mirror always forms virtual image. Already it is we proved, we drawn the ray diagrams. Virtual image and size of the image is small. Then please try to observe here. M equals to height of the image by height of the object. In case of the convex mirror, height of the image is always smaller than to height of the object. Just imagine, height of the image I am going to take 2, height of the object I am going to take 4. It is how much, children? 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. So now, always smaller than means image should be smaller than to object, means magnification should be what? Less than to 1. For example, sir, why should I take 2, sir? Means you take here 3 also, no problem. If you are going to take here 3, you are going to get 0.30 means 4 7s are 28 to 4 5s are. No problem. Or if you take 3.9, then also denominator is smaller than 2. Denominator is bigger than to numerator. That's why you are going to get magnification is less than to 1. So now that's why I am making the fundamental formula. Convex mirror always forms virtual image, size of the image is small. Therefore, M is less than to 1. But M is always, it is positive, because making the virtual image. So now it is confirmed. If M is, for example, examination question is given M equal to 0.75 magnification, then this is which type of mirror? No need to think more. Magnifications are less than to 1. It is positive. Virtual image only caused by convex. So answer is, this answer is convex mirror, sir. Magnification is -1, -2, -3, -4, -k. That is the concave mirror, sir. For example, magnification is +2, little bit. Level of question increased. M equal to +2. M equals to +2 means what is that meaning? M plus means our image is virtual. 2 is what? Size. Then I am going to say this is the size. Size of image is double of the object. Second thing is virtual image. Then it is not possible by convex mirror. Convex mirror always giving the small image. Then once you go to the concave mirror, if object is between pole and focus, special case is there. I told to you, when we are going to stand in front of a shaving mirror or in the beauty parlor, we are going to get the magnified image. In that case, object is between pole and focus. Image is backside of the mirror. It is going to give enlarged image. That's why if magnification is positive and more than to 1, that mirror is concave mirror. That point also I will write here. 1 second, children. Okay, this thing I will write here now. If M is positive more than to 1, means it means I am writing here M equals to or M more than to +1, it gives whom? Concave mirror. And concave mirror, one condition also you wrote, if M equals to minus any value, smaller value means minus less than to 1 or more than to 1, no problem. It is the real image, only possible concave mirror. Clear, children? Next, one more question I am going to ask. If sometimes for competitive purpose it will give, that is if M equals to +1, this is which type of mirror? There is no in concave mirror, there is no in convex mirror. Just now we discussed convex mirror always gives magnification is less than to 1. Concave mirror give magnification is 1, but it is gives the real image. but question is asked virtual image. So please try to apply to our life, children. You are going to get it. That case is when you are going to stand in front of the face mirror or plane mirror, size of the object, size of the image, both are same size. That is, image is standing in front of you. That's why standing means virtual image. Size of the object, size of the image, both are same means that is the mirror, plane mirror. It is not a spherical mirror. So I am writing here, if m equal to plus 1, that is plane mirror. So these things you have to remember, children, for class 10. Is it clear to you? Thank you very much.